Hello, I'm an English teacher, so if you would like to learn English, then watch this video. I use a method called Comprehensible Input, so you will just naturally pick up English as I speak clearly, slowly, and use pictures and gestures. So in today's video, I am going to read a book, a picture book. This is the book, The Mother Hen Mysteries. So I think it's a really good idea to read children's books in English. Reading, as a teacher, reading is the best way to pick up new words and new vocabulary. And if you are learning English, then children's books are the best way to learn English because the language is simpler, and there are usually pictures in the book and the language is less complicated. If you pick up a book for your own age and a fiction book for adults, the language is going to be too complicated. Even for English speakers, there are a lot of new words in books for adults. So I always recommend English learners to read children's books. So that's what I'm going to do today. So let's just get started. So here I'm going to have the book and I'm going to look down and read here. So it's called The Mother Hen Mystery, and on the front cover we have a big fat chick, and the mother hen, and she's measuring her baby child, her baby chick. Before we read the story, we're going to look at the pictures together so that you can pick up the language with the pictures. So in this picture we have a phone, and this is Mother Hen, and she's wearing a dress, and she is ringing Mother Duck, and she's in her apron. She's having tea, so she's got her tea pot and her tea and her milk. These are the baby chicks, 3 chicks, and they're not hungry. They are not eating their pie, so they're sitting without eating. And this is the chickens. They're getting fatter. So Mother Hen has left the house. Here we have the picnic basket, and Mother Hen is hiding behind the bush. There's a little bird on the fence. In here, they are in the orchard, the apple orchard. So they're in a forest, and the chickens have found another picnic basket. In this picture, they're by a river, and they have another picnic, and they have cake and apples and orange juice, and they're eating on the picnic blanket on the river bank. Over here we have a bridge, and the dog is fishing on the bridge with the river going by. We've got a big tree here, and under the tree the fox is reading. He's reading a book in a boat. He's in a boat. So he's reading his book, he's relaxing, but the book is called How to Fatten Chickens, with a big fat chicken and a measuring tape. Here the chickens are sleeping chickens with their cake. Mother Hen is sleeping, the sun, and the fox is rowing his boat, as you can see here. He has a net. This is a net, and he's catching the chickens in his net and putting them into his boat. in a net here, and these are the oars. So the fox is rowing the boat down the river, and he's got his chickens and he's singing. But then the dog is fishing. He's fishing and he has caught the boat. He has caught the boat with his fishing rod. And the dog has fallen over the bridge. He's fallen over into the boat and he's knocked out the chickens. The chickens are flying through the air. They have been knocked out of the boat. And now the fox is in the river and the mother hen has her chicks back thanks to the dog. So now we have looked at the pictures and learned some new words. We are going to read the story. So let's read the story now and you will pick up even more words. Mother hen is on the phone. It is a mystery to me, she tells her friend. My chickens won't eat their breakfast. My chickens won't eat their lunch. My chickens won't eat their supper, and yet they're getting fatter and fatter and fatter. I wonder why. The next day, Mother Hen follows the chickens. In the morning, the chickens find a little basket in the yard. Ah, says Mother Hen. In the afternoon, the chickens find a little basket in the orchard. Oh, says Mother Hen. In the evening, the chickens find a little basket by the river. Cluck, says Mother Hen. Some kind person is making free picnics. I wonder who. Slow Dog is by the river. He is fishing on the bridge. Fast Fox is by the river too. He is reading a book. Yes, just reading a book. That's all. Just a nice, easy little book. How to fatten chickens. The summer sun shines down. The chickens doze off. Mother Hen dozes off. So does Slow Dog. Fast Fox rows off. I love chickens. See now, Fast Fox is fishing too. Yes, that's all, just fishing with a nice little net. Fast Fox catches chickens. 1 chicken, yes. 2 chickens, yes, yes. 3 chickens, yes, yes, yes. Row, row, row your boat gently as can be. Merrily, 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 chicken pie for me. Mother Hen wakes up. Where are my chickens? Slow Dog wakes up. I've got a bite. Fast Fox looks up. A fishing line is dangling down. Yes, that's all, just a nice little fishing line. So the story ends. Well, nearly. So Slow Dog has fallen onto the fox and the chickens have escaped. 2 days later, Mother Hen phones her friend again. It's a mystery to me, she says. I seem to have an extra chicken. 4 chickens. Yes, I wonder. Cheep, cheep. Come and play. The end. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this method helped you, if you think reading children's books is a good method, then please let me know in the comments and I can make more videos like this. I think it's a great way to learn vocabulary, but please you let me know in the comments. And if you do like learning English with me, then I do have a Comprehensible Input course. I'll put the details here. So there are 10 extra videos in a more structured way for beginners because it's more basic language. It is €30, so it's a really good deal. And the link is in the comments below, so you can purchase that. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next week. Bye.